I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Golf wing mirror glass. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and your new mirror glass. Make sure your VW Golf is parked on a level surface with the ignition off for safety. This simple repair can save you money and is usually completed in under 20 minutes, even for beginners. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Begin by adjusting the mirror all the way up and in, creating a gap at the bottom. Carefully insert a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in tape into this gap. Gently pry the mirror glass away from the housing. You'll hear some clips release. Be patient and apply even pressure to avoid damaging the motor assembly. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, ensure the electrical connectors, if any, are properly attached to the back of the new glass. Align the new mirror glass with the motor assembly, making sure the clips are positioned correctly. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear it click securely into place. To finish up, test the mirror's adjustment functions using the interior controls. Move it up, down, left, and right to ensure it operates smoothly and is securely seated. Give your new mirror a quick clean with a glass cleaner for optimal visibility. This simple replacement can significantly improve your driving safety. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.